From the makers of LMEX, with the professional certification battery, we have a 26-inch e-bike, a 350-watt rear hub motor, 500 peak power watts, a 30-mile distance range, and speeds with pedal assist of. We have a 20-mile maximum speed. What we're going to be doing is showing you how simple it is to install and a test ride and demonstration of the bicycle. Okay. We're going 19 miles per hour. So as we're riding along, we're doing up to 19 miles per hour. We're on cruise control. And we'll catch up to the car. And off we go. The LDEX is a nice bike. It gets you to where you need to go, commuter's bike. It's nice and fast. It's cruise control. It has speeds of low, medium, high, and power assist. Pedal assist, 15 miles per hour is the maximum. You just simply pedal and you get the burst of speed. Doesn't matter what gear or speed you're pedaling. You can pedal or hit the throttle, either way. As we pedal, the faster you pedal, the faster you will go. Changing up to the next gear is hitting the plus, and you're on the first speed. And you're coasting at 5 miles per hour. Helmets are required for e-bikes. It is a fast bike. It is a comfortable bike. It is a commuter's bike, on-road, off-road, dirt, wherever you go, 30 miles range.